In this video, we're going to go over how to submit an assignment as a student in Educate. So at this point, we are here on an assignment within one of our classes. You'll be able to see the directions as it pertains to that particular assignment and the file that you can get access to one of two ways. So the first way is that you can go ahead and just click this download icon here to download that particular document, whether in this case it's a spreadsheet, which you could open with Microsoft Excel, or a document to be opened with Microsoft Word, or a PowerPoint to be opened with Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can go ahead and download the file that way if you prefer to use Microsoft Office to complete your assignment. Once you click that button, you'll see that it downloads to your computer, most likely located in your Downloads folder on your device. From there, you can go ahead and complete your assignment. If you prefer to work in Google, you can go ahead and click this button here, Create a Copy, to create a copy of that assignment in Google Sheets, Docs, or Slides. So as you can see there, once we clicked that Create a Copy link, it opened up a new tab where it's asking us if we want to make a copy of that worksheet. Now keep in mind you do need to be logged into your Google account for this to pop up. Otherwise, it's probably best to stick with the former option where you download the file to your computer. So let's say that I do want to create a copy to complete my assignment this way. All I'm going to do is click that Make a Copy button to confirm that action. And you'll see the activity, in this case it's a Google Sheet, will open up and I can complete the activity from there within that particular document, whether it be a spreadsheet, a slide, or a doc. Once I've completed my assignment, we're going to want to be able to share that link. So we're going to click the Share button, and then we'll go ahead and change the link so that anybody with the link can see it. Once we have the setting, as you can see here, you're going to click the Copy link. And now we're done with our assignment. We're ready to submit it. So we're going to come back to the assignment detail page here, and we're going to click the Submit Assignment button. As you can see, it opened up a little pop-up where we can choose to submit it as an attachment, where we would access a file from our computer, or you can simply upload a link and just copy and paste that link into that field, as you can see there. Now, depending on the assignment, you may be using Google Drive in terms of Google Docs, Slides, or Sheets, or you might be submitting an attachment, which again can be any Microsoft Office file or any other file that you might be working on, depending on the course that you're taking, such as a game file, a video, so forth. Either way, whichever method you decide to go with or that your teacher has instructed you to use, you're able to attach either your link or your file. Before you submit it, go ahead and feel free to add a description. This could just be a quick note for your teacher to let them know about something in your assignment, or just a quick hello that you can send to your teacher. After you've added a description, of course, which is optional, you can go ahead and click the Save button. Clicking that Save button ultimately submits your assignment to your teacher. Now, your teacher will see that you've completed your assignment. However, if you want to make any changes to your submission prior to your teacher grading the assignment, you can always click the Edit Submission button. Make any changes, such as uploading a new file, changing your description text, or updating a link, and then resaving. So that allows you to edit your submission prior to being graded. So that is how we can submit an assignment as a student in Educate. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn how to utilize the Educate platform.